Hello. Do you often feel helpless and hopeless because of ongoing projects and tasks? Have you ever experienced working constantly with no light at the end of the tunnel? You are not alone, and this really comes down to how you think and whether you have the right coping mechanisms in place. If you constantly put yourself down or feel that there are not enough hours in a day, it is time to shift your thought process and how you approach things. In my work as a corporate trainer and coach, I hear this all the time. That's why I want to share a simple tip that will provide instant relief in how you feel. Simple is good, isn't it? When you leave work and walk to your car, I want you to think about all the things you did get done that day, rather than what you didn't get done. This will have a tremendous impact on how you feel. You have to come to terms with the fact that you will never catch up with your to-do list. And sometimes it is better to think about how to be rather than what to do. Examples would be, I want to be calm. I want to be mindful. I want to be patient. Please, don't underestimate the power of small and seemingly insignificant changes in your approach to make you feel better about yourself and your progress. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.